Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Suno. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search for Suno app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.